Are you afraid of bright colors and do you resort to black, white, and gray to match with everything? I have 3 simple steps for you. Number one, start small. If you are afraid of a full color, then do partial, like do a gray pant with an orange top, or do like a beige and a colored layer, or even blue pant and a fancy colorful t-shirt or a top, whatever you like. Number two, add colorful accessories. So when you're wearing your beige and your black and blue, that time add colorful accessories. Like I'm doing red earrings with this. You can see the images where I've done colorful dupatta, or I've done, even red lips will add color to your simple outfit. If you can look at this video, it has this simple white and beige and then colorful jackets. Number three, the most interesting colors to invest in are green, brown, and red, besides your black, white, and gray. Don't be afraid to wear colors. You don't have to wear like full color and go all out. You can obviously start small. If you have a question on any particular color on how to pair or combine, do write in the comment section below and I'll create a video out of it. Bye. Follow for more.